Hi everyone, it's Veronica and I am here with a project share. I am participating in Scrap the World's Issa Link Party for the month of February. Scrap the World is Tamika. There will be a link in the description box to her video regarding this Issa Link Party. You still have time to do it this month if you would like to participate. This month we had to create a set of boxed note cards. 3x3 note cards. She has a specific tutorial to follow for the box, and the twist to this Issa Link Party was that you had to use an embossing folder and washi tape on your note cards. So these are the products that I used. These are all the washis that I used, and I actually used each and every one. And you say all that washi for 3x3s? I used the Swiss Dots embossing folder, some enamel dots, My Creative Time flower, and that's what that looks like. Spellbinder's Belly Band 1, and this is some of the pattern paper that I used. All right, here is my boxed set. I thought it turned out so cute. So on the front, this is the belly band piece right here. And when it cuts out, it actually has slits that it cuts out. So I ran ribbon through it. I ran washi all around the front and the back. And I used ribbon that was in my stash. This is the My Creative Time flower. And I put an enamel dot in the center. And when you open this, it's really a cute box. I love it. This is my set. So the envelopes are over here on the side. We had to do 4 cards and 4 envelopes. This is where the pattern paper came into play. I just added a piece on the pockets. And these are my note cards. I really loved how these turned out. It was a little labor intensive, but I love the end result. So you see here, these are the washis, and with the washi tapes that I used, all of these are from Hobby Lobby. And this one with the scallops, that is a Doodlebug Designs washi set that I purchased because I do my planners, so I use it for that. And I bought my set off Amazon. Okay, so here, this is the Swiss Dots. I just cut another piece of paper and layered it on top of the card. And I only did it, I think, I forgot how wide this was, but to here. Then I adhered the washis. This is that scalloped washi and then some of the other. And the petals on the flower have washi. A labor of love, labor of love. Okay, so I would just cut a square and adhere it to the petal, and then you have to have some really sharp non-stick scissors to cut around, but it doesn't take but a second, but you know, you have to do each one individually. So each petal has washi on it, and I did that on all of the cards, all of the flowers. And I think they turned out so cute. And each one has an enamel dot in the center. Isn't that cute? Super, super cute. And it's not going to go all the way down. I mean, you really don't have to take the washi all the way down because the enamel dot will cover up that center part. So that worked out pretty well. And my envelopes are here. But I thought this was really an adorable set. And you could just whip these out in no time as gifts. The box was really easy to make. Her tutorials are always very, very good. So, again, I will have a link in the description box. I should have turned some of these the other way, so that you can go check it out if you choose to enter. Nice prize this month. She does give a prize every month, but I'm just enjoying challenging myself to get something done each month. Now, I was later in the month last month, but this month I'm a little earlier. So, and then all you have to do is go to her website and put your link down, whether you have it on Instagram or YouTube or whatever. So thank you so much for stopping in and watching. Happy crafting, everyone.